PORTER life. Hey, what's up YouTube? Today is June 8th and I wanted to do a video on some of my seeds that I tried to germinate. I think I got a couple of them that might have germinated already, so I'm gonna go ahead and see what we can do, see if we can unpack them and go ahead and plant some of these. Sorry for the area, I really don't have too much room in the backyard, but there's the garden over there and I'm doing it right here. I got my water bottle, got everything ready to go, so let's get it going. Let's check it out. Okay, the first one I'm going to check are my plum seeds because I've been checking it out. I don't think too many have germinated, but it's fine. I'm just going to go ahead and put them back up, but let's see. Okay, not bad. So I have one. As you can see, I got one plum seed that's rooted. And I do have another one that looks like it's about to form right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those back up. As far as the other two, they don't look like they're doing too much. But check this guy out. It's a nice looking plum seed right there. I'll go ahead and plant that. Go ahead and plant that right here. So when I plant it, all you want to do is put a little hole right in there, not too much. Just like that. Now when you plant, you just want to take the seed and plant it with the root down. So with that being said, I'm going to take this. Like that, just like that, and then all I'm gonna do is take some soil and cover that right in, just like that. And there it is. Alright you guys, I'm going to do the pear now. Let's open this one up and see what we got. Alright, the pear. Okay, on the pear, I got some pretty good germination. Look at this one. Nice long root coming out. That's beautiful. This one right there. Also, that one looked like it's gonna pop. That one. So I say I have altogether 1, 2, 3, 4 out of this batch, which is not bad at all. That's really good. Alright, so we'll go ahead and plant this bad boy first. As you can see, this guy's pretty good. Rooted out really well. Monster. So let's go ahead and plant him right in here. Make sure the root gets down. Just like that. And that's perfect. Just sort of pour some on top. Like so. And that's perfect. And he's good. Let's go ahead and do the next one. Probably see if we can do this guy right here. It's another really good looking root. As you can see. Alright, you guys, here's another good looking root right here. As you can see, it's already rooted up. So we'll go ahead and plant that one right in here. Just like so. That's good. And then we just want to, like I said, you want to bury it ever so slightly. Just to cover that down. And I mean, pretty much the leaves will find its way to the top and the roots will find its way to the ground, so this is no problem at all. But that looks good. Okay, we'll do another pair right here. This one, very good roots. So we'll go ahead and plant this guy right in here. Make sure, oh, that's wrong, I'm sorry. Gotta make sure you plant root down, so I'm gonna have to flip that. Alright guys, I might take this one out too early because this is like a baby root. But what I'll do is I'll plant it and then we'll just see what happens. So this one we're gonna plant right here. We'll probably plant it in this last cup right here. Get it down there. Yep, just like that. And we'll cover that guy up. And we'll just see what happens. Alright you guys, last ones I'm going to do is the apple and the pears. I put these ones together just because, you know, I was kind of low on bags, so I put them all in one. Not thinking nothing of it. Maybe it helped out the germination process, maybe not. But just looking at this one, it looks like a good amount of these have germinated. So that's pretty cool. So let's go open her up. Oh yeah. Look at that. Okay, so right now it looks like more so the pear seeds than the apple seeds. But hey, I'll take some more pears. That's pretty good. Look at all those. Wow. That's pretty cool. And the ones that haven't, I'm just gonna put them right back. But that's pretty good. That's not bad. So out of the pear seeds in this batch, I got 4 strong, healthy roots, or plants, or seedlings. So this is exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and plant these right now, and I'm thinking those are gonna be some really strong plants. going down just like that. Cover up. Just like that. And cover up. Okay, lastly, I did my apple seeds. I don't expect any of them to have germinated because as I've been checking, I just didn't see anything happening. But you never know. Let's see. We'll open it up right now. Okay, so we have one apple seed that looks like it has germinated. Have a little root coming out, so that's pretty cool. That's exciting. So I'll go ahead and plant that one, and then the rest I'll go ahead and put back in the windowsill. Give it a little more time. Okay, so here's that one apple seed that's germinated, and I'll go ahead and plant this one right in here. When it's this small, you can just pop it in, the root will find its way up to the bottom. So put it right there, and then I'll just let it go to work. Alright guys, last thing you want to do is water everything in. Water's kind of shooting sideways, but you guys get the point.